What's up, Umbares? We're out here on day one, guys. Take a look. It is January 12th, 2026. Happy New Year, everybody. And look at this. There's a pool out here. That's not our pool. We're not building this here. But this is the project we're starting today. Okay, we're going to be out here late afternoon. This is going to be the second pool of the day. And it is already 11:30. Okay, 11:30. And let's just see for fun if this pool's going to get water filled in before this pool. Okay, let's take a look. They just have this thing with tile and coping, and you kind of see what it looks like. All right, and then you're gonna see what happens here. We did cover the side with a little bit of plastic here in the neighbors. Of course, all the plastic is still here, as you can see. It's a really windy day today, so plastic got ripped off, which is fine. Now, this is just a secondary precaution. We do build a wall of plastic all the way around. Anyways, this is really not necessary, but it is what it is. We put it there. We also cover this line here as well. And I always put construction cones, caution tape on all the areas that I feel should be of caution, right? Would make sense. Like the gas lines, I put cones here, caution here, just because when people are using their equipment, it's not like they don't see it, they will see it. However, it's a lot more viewable and noticeable when you have stuff like this here, okay? I also put construction cones out here at the water main, okay? And you can see here all the building materials already here, ready to go. Yep, they're doing all new landscaping, guys, so don't worry, don't freak out. The grass is also going to get all replaced. I put the debris container out here as usual, as you can see. And haha, look, guys, we have a portable restroom. And this is like a new construction area, okay? You can see there's plenty of other debris containers and portable restrooms from the builder this is a Taylor Morrison community. This is, we are in Azario Esplanade right now, okay? We don't use their stuff. So we're not going to use their debris container. We're not going to use their portable restroom. We're going to supply our own, okay? And what actually quite often happens, more often than not, is these construction crews, they don't know. So they come and they dump in here and they actually use our portable restrooms, okay? So this is what happens, but we still have everything here. This is what we do on every single project. Doesn't matter if it's new construction or not. And here we go. We have all the stone pavers are here. Look how beautiful this looks, guys. This is the light gray 16 by 24 paver. And as you can see in here, we have all of the pool equipment inside. All right. Look at this, guys. Absolutely amazing. Ready to go. Back at it again, guys. We are in Azario Esplanade in Lakewood Ranch. Check it out. It is Tuesday the 13th, January 13th. We started this pool yesterday afternoon, late afternoon, guys. I want to say we started this around like 2 o'clock and we finished this thing up at 5. Today we're putting in all the rebar, and as you can see here, this is when you sculpt the inside of the shell of the pool. Essentially come in here, you put all the rebar and you bend it by hand. You got to cut it, you got to form up the spa, all the form boards go in place. That's what you see in the back. And all the 2x4s actually form out the edge of the pool, and this is how we do it, guys. This is going to be the sun shelf here. The 2 bubblers are going to go in here. As you can see, day 2. Let's catch up to the next pool around here. And I think if I'm not mistaken, there is another pool being built down the side. Let's go take a look and see what's happening over here. Yeah, it looks like they're building a pool down there. I'm not really sure how far along they are, but it's always a fun and friendly competition here to see who gets the job done the best quality and with the best timing. All right, guys, when do you think we'll get this pool done? Go ahead and comment below the date. Today, like I said, is January 12th, this Tuesday, so January 13th. So when do you think this pool will be filling with water? All right, guys, let us know in the comments below. All right, guys, talk to you soon. We'll do an update here shortly. Bye-bye. Day 3, gun night. Take a look, guys. It is only Wednesday, January 14th. And we are here doing the gun night, okay? We only had 2 prior business days. 2 prior business days, guys. And we're already doing the gun night. Now, you can compare this to anything you've seen, or if you had a pool built. I'm pretty sure you guys don't have this, okay? Let's go back here. Let's take a look at what's going on, guys. I'm going to bring you closer. Day 3, as you can see right here. We're doing the gun night. Look at this, guys. Only day 3. And as you can see, we've put plastic up all the way around as well. Here. We even have a secondary plastic here. And as you know, we have plastic on all the windows. But guys, this is what it is. Look at this. These guys are like Michelangelo sculptors, sculpting stone. This thing will look absolutely perfect when we're done. We always put plastic on all the glass. Everything is covered up. Everything is still covered up. And we still have this huge plastic here dividing the house and the pool and the neighbor's property, okay? Even this is still here. This is why we do this sometimes, because it's just really close, but it's not really needed. This is how we work, guys. Look at this. Day 3. 3 days. Wednesday, January 14th. Look at this, guys. This will be all done by the end of the day. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Look at this. You guys hear that sound? I love that sound. It's the sound of building a pool, baby. That's the sound of building a pool. Big pieces of equipment here to build a pool, okay, guys? It takes a big piece of equipment to run a pool. This is a truck just to run air compression, okay? This builds air compressor. This brings in the dry mix, let's call it a gunite, and it comes in through this, and then with the air pressure, it gets all pushed down into the nozzle, and it gets mixed with water. And this is how you make your pool. Your neighbors are not going to like this, because it is loud. It actually is loud. But the good thing about Umbare is we get this thing done super fast. Today's only day 3, guys. It is only day 3. To see January, Wednesday the 14th. We started this on Monday the 12th, okay? But we didn't start till like 2 p.m. 2 p.m., guys, and we're already doing the gunite. Compare this to any other pool builder. Look, we even put plastic on the floor out here. I already showed you in the back. There's plastic on the windows and all the glass. We put plastic on the neighbors, and then we build a shield of plastic even right now. So none of that other plastic is necessary, but we do it anyways. This is how we roll out Umbare, guys. Let's go! Woo! What's up, Umbares? Guys, we're back out here in Azario. Today is Friday. Let me show you guys. Let's show you the date. It is Friday the 16th. Look at that. How beautiful is that, guys? This is what it is at Umbare. We started on Monday late afternoon, guys. We're already digging the trenches. Literally digging the trenches. This is what it is when you put the plumbing in. So all these pipes are going to be in the ground right here around the pool. This will be all done by the end of the day. And as you can see, that pool is still sitting in the same condition as we started when this was grass on Monday. Okay, that is what's standard in the industry. 1 week, no progress, essentially nothing over there. This is how it is. I don't even want to see the other pool because I bet you I can see from here. It looks like nothing has been done over there. The same thing. Yep, the same condition as it was, guys. This is how it is at Umbare. 5 days, only 4 previous work days. Let's go! What's up, Umbares? Check it out. We're back at Azario and Lakewood Ranch. Today is Friday, January 16th, guys. We've only started, this is day 5, so we only had 4 previous work days. Okay, this is already done. We did all the plumbing today. This whole thing was all dug up earlier. All the pipes have been put in place. And as you can see, guys, let me show you down here. All the pipes are here. And let me show you something else that we do that no other pool builder does. These are electrical pipes. So all the lights, these are connected to all the lights. We pressure test all this. We make sure all this is pressurized. Okay, I already did the inspections. The inspections already passed, so the pressure's been released. But guys, this is what it is with Umbare. We do things that are not even necessary for inspection. This is not required. This is not a requirement. I do it, however, because we want to make sure everything is tight. We have no leaks in any line, any orifices that connect to the pool. Let's take it back out. Let's take a look at the job site, guys. It's nice and clean. Look at this. Everything is nice and clean. This is what it is. It's that simple working with Umbare, guys. And look at that. Over there, I haven't seen anybody working there since we started on Monday. It's still the same old thing going on. Nobody's been there for a week. And guess what? We're here 1 week already, and we're almost done. We're basically at the same spot where they are. They have a coping and tile, which you know how fast we are. We'll get it done here pretty soon. Next step on this pool, guys, is going to be the footings going all the way around. and then we're going to do the pool tile and pool coping. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like us, subscribe, follow, put on your notifications so you can see all our videos. Let's go!